Hello folks, Bronco Bob here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles. I'm here today to show you a 2015 Polaris RZR. It's an XP1000 with power steering, and it's got a lot of modifications for basically mud. It's got a brand new set of High Lifter Outlaw 2s, and these are 29.5s. Factory Polaris wheels. It's got the Nerf bars on the side. It's got some nice PAP Polaris seats. These are extra wide and extra comfortable. Plus they're color coordinated. It's got an aluminum top. Nice extra bright LED light. It's got riding on a set of Walker Evans premium off-road shocks. It's got the Polaris front bumper that's color coordinated and a Polaris HD 3500 winch with synthetic rope. It's also got some high clearance A-arms and part of a lift kit. I believe it's called a High Lifter kit. There's a sticker right here. It's got the grab handle. It's got a little over 200 hours and 1,000 miles. It's got a few scratches and a few scrapes. It's not brand new. The Nerf bars, some of the paint is coming off. It just needs to be sanded and painted, but it does run real nice. It's got the ProStar engine, the 1000, bumper in the rear, receiver hitch in the rear, and also those high clearance trailing arms, which are a lot more stout than the factory ones. They've got grease zerks on them. It's got a snorkel for the air intake and a snorkel for the belt. Let's start it up and you can hear it run. The miles are 1,000. Well, that's the hours. 270.4 hours. 1,002 miles. It's got a bunch of buttons. The exhaust system is basically kind of a custom deal. Looks like they took a Flowmaster muffler and put some chrome tips. Probably did some custom welding at a welding shop. But like I say, she runs good. These equipped like this brand new are $18,000 to $20,000. You can buy this one for a considerable savings. But you got the high clearance arms, fresh set of tires, the Polaris winch, LED light, aluminum top, windshield, and the extra wide, extra comfortable seats. They're made by PRP. Here, we can take it for a spin. I don't know if this my battery's flashing at me. I'm not going to go fast. It's got plenty of power. The power steering is super easy. One hand, no problem. Get out and have one more look. Yeah, that power steering is nice. But there you have it. Ready for the mud. And you don't have to spend 20 grand. Have a great day. I'm Bronco Bob wishing you happy trails.